everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to do the witch makeup, and for the workbook today I'm going to be witch. So if you want to get this look, watch the video, and you can also use this makeup look as a Halloween makeup. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you'll see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm more than just a number. I'm a hater, I'm a lover. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm not just a pretty girl. Yeah, I'm not just a pretty girl. No, I'm not just a pretty girl. I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm not just a pretty girl. Yeah, I'm not just a pretty girl. No, I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm not just a pretty girl. I've got like 30 missed calls saying in another night. And I've been talking to the walls, feel a bit out of my mind. But you don't even know, you don't even know what is going on, what is going on. I can try to smile, done it for a while, but nobody knows it like I wish I was human. I wish that I could say shit like you did, where it's funny all the time but it's useless. No, no. And if you saw through my eyes, you'd understand why I wish I was human. I wish that I could say shit like you did, where it's funny all the time but it's useless. No, no. And if you saw through my eyes, you'd understand why I've been trying to drink away all the nights I voices screaming in my head about the things I most regret. But you don't even know, you don't even know. Nobody knows it like I wish I was human.